Meet XGIMI CC Aurora, the most powerful and portable screenless projector. Take it with you anywhere you go. The CC Aurora is an audio and video entertainment center, all in the palm of your hand. Simply move the slider to start. It will autofocus in less than 3 seconds. Projecting at 720p HD resolution and powered by a built-in high-performing CPU that supports 4K videos. CC Aurora gives you the best cinematic experience both indoors and out. The 20,000 mAh battery brings plenty of play or standby time. With a 180-inch large HD projection area, you can project beyond traditional screen limits. Built with Keystone Correction System, the XGIMI CC Aurora can project a total square screen at any angle, perfect for small spaces. The JBL Stereo 40mm dual speaker with passive bass diaphragm pumps out rich, acoustically amazing sound that will complete the cinematic experience. Wi-Fi capability means it's easy to play videos right off your phone, iPad, or laptop. Free yourself from wires and cables with Strat sharing videos anytime and anywhere. This is the ultimate combination of utility and minimalism. Bring XGIMI CC Aurora on the road and enjoy cinema-quality entertainment whenever you want. XGIMI CC Aurora, born to be simple.